You know, you ever look at someone and wonder how they just never get sick? Like ever? Well, we're about to figure out exactly what their secret is.
Come on, you know who I'm talking about. While the rest of us are drowning in tissues and cough drops, they're just fine. It's like they have some kind of superpower. But what if I told you that superpower isn't so secret after all?
Okay, you ready for this? Here's the kicker, and it honestly changes everything. You don't just have one immune system, you've actually got two. And getting your head around that fact that you have two systems working together is the key. This is the sickness paradox, and it's the real reason some people just seem to be built differently.
So first up is your innate immune system. The best way to think about this one, it's your body's general security. These guys are on patrol 24/7, ready to pounce on literally any threat. They're super fast, but they're not exactly strategic.
And then you've got the adaptive system. Now this is a different beast entirely. These are your special forces, your elite squad. They take a little longer to get going, but when they identify an enemy, they learn everything about it, create a custom-made weapon to destroy it, and they never, ever forget a face.
All right, so let's dig into that first layer of defense. These are your first responders, the ones standing between you and a world that's just teeming with germs.
And the strategy here is brilliant in its simplicity. It's just two steps. First, build walls, keep the bad guys out. And second, if anyone gets past the walls, attack immediately.
And we're not just talking about simple fences here. I mean, you've got physical walls, like your skin. You have chemical warfare, like stomach acid that just melts invaders. And you even have biological allies, all that good bacteria in your gut that basically crowds out the bad guys.
But what if something actually breaches the perimeter? Well, that's when the patrols kick in. Cells called phagocytes literally rush to the scene. Their job is simple: find the intruder and eat it. It's not fancy, but man, is it fast.
But sometimes the first responders are just overwhelmed. They're outnumbered, and that's when they have to make the call and bring in the big guns. This is where your real superpower lies.
Just look at this breakdown. It says it all, right? The innate system is all about speed. It's immediate, but it's generic and it has zero memory. The adaptive system is slower to start, but it's surgically precise and, this is the most important part, it remembers. That memory is the game changer.
So how does it create this immunological memory? It's all thanks to those special forces we were talking about, the BNT cells. See, after they win a fight, they leave behind veterans, memory cells that can stick around for years, sometimes your entire life.
So here's the bottom line. The next time that exact same germ tries to invade, your body doesn't have to start from scratch. Oh no, those veteran memory cells are already there, ready to unleash a massive, perfectly tailored attack almost instantly. It's the reason you almost never get the exact same cold twice.
Okay, so you've got these two amazing defense systems inside you right now. But here's the thing, how well they work isn't just random. It's hugely influenced by how you actually live your life. Let's start with the big one, sleep. Seriously, this is absolutely non-negotiable. When you don't get enough sleep, you are actively weakening both your frontline defenders and your elite special forces.
Next up, let's talk about your gut. All those trillions of microbes living in there aren't just along for the ride. They're part of the team. They're an active part of your defenses, literally fighting off invaders for resources and space.
And finally, we have to talk about hormones. The easiest way to think about them is as the volume dial for your immune system. And hormones from stress, well, they can crank that volume way, way down, leaving you wide open for an attack. So let's put all these pieces together. Let's finally answer that question. Why do some people just seem to never get sick?
Well, it's not just one thing. It's a powerful mix. It's part genetics, the blueprint you're born with. It's part past exposures, building up that library of enemies your body knows how to fight. And, crucially, it's about the daily choices you make to support both of your amazing immune systems.
So when you really break it down, a piece of your resilience is handed to you, but a huge piece of it is built by you. You have the blueprint. The only question left is, how are you going to build on it?